here. Today we're up at Brap Garage yet again with the Franken 48 on the lift yet again because she needs a kidney transplant. She's been on dialysis for the last week as I got all the parts together and got all the tools together and got all the information together, and now I know how to replace the stator on my Harley. Still gonna screw something up, still scared. Opening up the derby cover was not as bad as I thought, but this time I gotta remove the whole primary cover and really expose them guts. And not excited. You know, whatever. We'll get through this. We're all adults. We have the internet. So Shelby down at the Brap factory helped me diagnose the bad kidney, and he, told me how to fix it. I don't remember what he showed me or what I was doing or why I was doing it, but conclusion was Stator's dead. But there's this guy over here, his name is John Maxwell, way more qualified to tell you what to do than I am. He's got an entire video that tells you how to diagnose to see your charging system and what's going on with it. So don't listen to me, go talk to John. I'm gonna start right now by removing the primary cover. I know I need an air gun. I don't know if our air compressor is gonna be strong enough to get this done, but maybe. We'll try, but got an air gun, I gotta make a specialty tool, and Josh should be here very shortly with a blowtorch. First thing we gotta do, very important thing we gotta do, is we gotta remove the battery. You're working with the charging system, you don't want anything to accidentally happen to the rest of the motorcycle. Let's get the most annoying battery assembly out. Yeah, it's terrible. You try to get it back in. Most aggravating part about this is I just had to do this, and here I am doing it again. Let's not make that mistake again. Since I need to do the charging system, I might as well put the battery on the charger just to make sure it's fully charged when we're done. So I'm gonna go put it on the charger. Be right back. These are all the tools I think I'm gonna need for now, so let's get them in the area, ready to go. First thing you gotta do, drain the fluid, loosen the tension, then take these off, take that off, blah, blah, blah. We'll get to that point. Let's drain it first. While it's draining, I'm gonna take off the shifter, get that out of the way. Now for the cover. So I went to refer to my manual, whatever the hell manual, my motorcycle manual. I'm babbling right now. It says that I do have to remove the foot peg. Trying to avoid that, but sometimes you just got to do the hard thing. Just get it out of the way. It's not that hard. It really isn't. It's two bolts. Done. Referring to my thing, I was wondering about the chain tensioner bolt. If I could just undo the screw. Apparently, I have to do the bolt first, then I can do the screw. I know. Still, just checking. Back to it. Slide rubber boot on clutch cable. Ah, yeah, okay, cool. Time to loosen up the clutch itself. I don't like following instructions, but I'm going to. Next step. Remove gear shifter done, rubber thing, clutch, yes, yeah. Remove 6 screws and clutch. I don't need to take the derby cover off. I don't think. Do I? God damn it. I forgot that most cameras have a 30-minute record time, and I got so far focused on what's going on here, I completely forgot about how long this has been recording, which now that I look at it, the memory card only has another 20 minutes, so I might have to switch that soon. Not the point. As you can so clearly see, cover is off. Yes, derby cover has to come off. You got to take all this assembly. I'm sure most of you are going to comment, you're an idiot, because yeah, this is my first time doing it. I can imagine the first time you did it. Not the point. Point being, cover's off, that's there. And this is where we're going to have to play. This is where we're going to have all the fun. Now for the fun part. God damn it. Apparently this is all red Loctite, so to make your life a little easier, you want to melt it. How do I forget the special little tool that Shelby gave me? This little tiny little thing just goes, whoop, there it goes, for the moment of truth. Woo. No, I'm just scared to do this. I'm done messing around. 585 fucking foot-pound. This thing's gonna go down. Had enough. Hopefully I don't break anything. The build series. Well, boys and girls, I hope you all enjoyed this episode on failure. Hopefully we'll get it right on the next one. Because I don't know what to do right now. Just break, bitch. Break. Come on. You can do it. Just break it. Come on. And again, the best piece of equipment that I have on hand is always my stubbornness. And this time it was about another 4 feet of leverage. So, finally got the bolt to break loose, gave it a lot of heat. I literally saw smoke coming out of it from the Loctite being melted down to finally release it and make it loose. So there's that. Oh yeah, and then I turned around and both my cameras were out of memory cards, so they weren't recording for any of that, so just my luck. Snap rings. Hey you.
Oh, okay. Stop it. Dude, you just said it to like a bunch of
Mother.
Watch out for hitting your finger. You know, maybe it's still just
I hate snap rings a lot. Pretending the last 45 minutes didn't happen. Motherfucker.
As soon as Josh looked in the box for the weather,
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Good God.
Look, what's up, dude? What's wrong?
Removing stator, magnets, heavy, kinking. I got it. It's just.
Oh. Happy magnets.
I love them, but they're evil. And it's stuck to my lift now. Well, that looks to be the problem out there.
whole bunch of God. What's up, Flip?
Get the umbilical cord. So I got the stator out. Pulling out that umbilical cord was a pain in the butt. Really wanted to just cut it like an umbilical cord until Shelby showed up like a guardian angel, as always. And it says, tie a rope around it, pull it through, so this way when you gotta go the other way, that makes it easier. So I did the tough part and just pulled it out hard. I don't know if you can tell, but pretty sure that that was the problem with the bike. Many hours later, and my last battery ready to run dry. Calling it a night. I'm removing all this is going to be this video, installing everything, and going to reverse it to be another video, because I'm not going to say I was unorganized, but I wasn't as organized as I thought I was being. But I mean, like, you know, just so you know, like everything that came off went over there and then came that way, so this way it's just kind of going reverse. So everything goes that way. Either way, I'm exhausted, I need a beverage, and that's what I'm gonna call it a night. So don't forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe, and folks, don't forget, I will catch you all on the flip side.